First and foremost, I want to thank our community. Our community stepped up not only by voting yes on the referendum, but also coming through with additional donations. So the actual bones of the building and the structure were built through referendum dollars, and then we were able to add some of the top-of-the-line equipment and technology in here through generous donations from sponsors. What we're so proud of are the opportunities that are going to be afforded to students. We want our students to become college, career, and life ready. We call that DCE Future Ready. So what we mean by that is it's no longer okay just to walk out of here with a diploma. We always ask, and then what? Basically, in our terms of being career ready, we want our students to be comfortable with the technology that they're going to see out at the work site. So for instance, in our metal manufacturing lab, we have items such as a computer numerically controlled plasma table. We have computer numerically controlled milling machines. Here in the transportation lab, we now have the ability to expose students to the diesel end of technology. So yes, our doors are big enough to bring a full semi in here. We have exposure to the collision field within automotive technician. Our program here is articulated to North Central Technical College. So students are going to be able to have a leg up and they enter the post-secondary workforce. In our wood manufacturing lab, we're very proud to have the only and first CNC milling machine that's really industrial grade. One aspect of our technology and engineering program that we were able to add through the renovation was some more exposure to automation and robotics, really our Industry 4.0 technology that our industry partners are speaking of and training their employees on right now. Again, that's just another aspect our students are going to be able to enter the workforce or enter post-secondary ready for success. One thing that we're really quite proud of in our agri-science area is that we really are fully invested in exposing students to all three facets of agri-science. So you have the plant science, and in our plant science lab, it's bar none and the first in the state. We have a vertical hydroponic growing lab, and it is fantastic. We're actually going to have our students producing lettuce that will be fed to the students within the school district through the food service program. We have exposure through ag power. So we have a small engines lab that's state-of-the-art. Every student will have the same engine that they'll start with and then can bring in some of their own equipment. And then the classroom itself is set up in the back where there is a science lab, if you will, for our animal science program. Since our community invested in us, we're going to invest back in them. And one way to do that is through youth apprenticeship. So what you're seeing is that students are going to be entering your workforce ready to go. So that might mean that a diesel technician student that really kind of has that passion wants to go out and kind of see if that's right for him or her. That's exactly what they can do. So we have a network of professionals in the area that might be related to metal manufacturing, might be related to transportation industry, might be related to construction industry. And all those different facets have openings. We brought some industry leaders through our facility now, and they looked right at our students and said, "We're ready for you right now."